I think mine's on. We are in their line of sight.
I don't want to go.
Try and get some good footage for you today. See, yeah, he's poking over. He's peeking over the wall.
Power as well.
He's peeking over the wall.
He's not anymore.
Did you fucking get him? I know.
I'm gonna put one next to him.
Still there. We're looking. Yeah.
Oh, you won't be able to see it where you want. I'm going to find it.
Yeah, go on that tower, mate. You fucking find them all.
Look at one.
Good. Sniper in position. Don't go in the church, they're shooting in. Yeah, it's the only time I'll ever say it in my life, don't go to church. Do you know where they're firing from? No, we can't tell. It's ricocheting off the metal, but there's like metal everywhere. I'll contact right side. Yeah, in the far spot where everyone's normally hidden. Top of his fast helmet was showing, so I popped a few shots.
Nobody's punching in.
Really? I mean, I can try and take the.
Oh, I got him on the nose.
I can try and take the right side. See if I can.
We just got to get in the front.
Oh, do you want a really fun mission?
Stop ricocheting me.
Basically, run into their spot. We're gonna get.
That's why I don't want to go into the front.
I reckon you get into the front if you just run.
Do you want to do it? Yeah. Stand by, stand by. Can we get cover on the right? Just make sure we're not going to get shot out this door. Al, go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, go right round the back. Yeah.
Go, go, go.
Right, let's go.
Oh, never mind. Our whole mission was useless.
Oh, you done it?
Bunkers and boots.
Oh, that's fine. Go back to as you were. I think you might be good to go in.
There's contact still on the left somewhere. And there's, by the sound of it, there is someone. Somebody just walked from right to left.
Right, I'm gonna go from left to right then. We're gonna go back and right into the shaded bushes and work around.
We've got friendly people.
Right, let's go. Right, wait. I'll get your ass in the strap. Stand by, stand by. Yeah, this is a trench here now. I don't think I'm going to use this route, it's way overgrown. It'll make it too obvious just by sound. I'll pull back and then move left. Just try and keep me covered from what you can see. Right, let's fuck off out of here. Roger. One in the main bunker. Don't imagine you've got any pyros to throw in. Okay. Yeah, like you just said, there's one in that bunker, fuck that. Right, so what we're doing, we can go that way, but there's a guy watching the door to choke point.
It's not very good in the daytime.
Check left, that door's gonna... Cool.
Hit!
Still in the back. Louis, I'll get down a little bit for you.
Oh fuck, okay, he's in the back corner, he's got a wall in the way. Right, there's a wall and he's hiding behind it.
By the door or?
He's far back. At least I caught one far back. There's a... He's far behind. Just trying to deal with this bunker first. I'm gonna pull to the rear on the right side. We're clear. That wasn't a very particularly fast game.
Look at this for a spot though.
Yeah, I'll spot for you in the bunker.
I'll come into the bunker with you, but it won't be very good footage for Aaron actually.
Go in there with that.
I'll stay over here, Louis.
I'll start spotting for you as of now. Three times enemy spawn Land Rover.
Got one.
Just on the far side of the red container. I'll be careful, left side close.
Okay.
I'd recommend you prepare for a swap.
Defenders, you are now on one right only. Attackers, please fall to the right container.
Yeah. Just keep the hose on.
Thank you very much. Louis, this corner, close. You see this corner? Run away then.
Come on, attackers! Pull! Enemy down, stand around the back!
Lou, close!
Contact left side.
Wait in the corridor at the back.
Lou, can you cover me if I get down?
Stand by, there's quite a few enemies in our area.
If you don't want to wait in the sun, guys, and you're out, you're more welcome to go back.
Oh, hit! Oh.
Want to hit rest, maybe wait to the back, or if you want to go inside, Matt,
Hit! That went well.